Hey guys, I'm Eddie from Vita Gardens in New England Arbors, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the deck box. First things you need, a power drill, make your life a lot easier, with a number 2 Phillips bit, and then just a knife basically to cut open your box. So the first thing you do is of course take the box and cut it down here. Just make sure you don't cut in too deep, or else you might scratch the material. But this is what you'll find. And what I usually do is just take all the parts out, and so you know if you have all the parts, the instructions will tell you the parts list in the box. If you're missing anything or something is damaged, give us a call. Phone number's right here. We'll be happy to send out the parts to you right away. So what I usually do, and this is what I recommend, you really don't want to assemble things on concrete or on stone because you obviously scratch stuff up. So I usually use the box to actually assemble everything on. It does a great job of keeping things, from getting scratched and keeping your area nice and clean.